Welcome back to Television 87. Let's jump right into it. The Illinois Supreme Court reversed Jussie Smollett's conviction. Now, you guys remember back in 2019, he was alleged to stage an attack on himself in Chicago and lied to police about it. It was a crazy story, but let's check out what the CBS station in Chicago had to say about everything.
We want to get to some breaking news right now. Within the last half hour, a big decision by the Illinois Supreme Court. Justices have reversed the conviction of actor Jussie Smollett. The former Empire actor took his case to the state's high court in September. He wanted his 2021 conviction of falsely reporting a hate crime overturned. In a statement, the court said, "Today we resolve a question about the state's responsibility to honor the agreements it makes with defendants. Specifically, we address whether a dismissal of a case by Noel Prosecki allows the state to bring a second prosecution within the dismissal was entered as part of an agreement with the defendant, and the defendant has performed his part of the bargain. We hold that a second prosecution under these circumstances is a due process violation, and we therefore reverse defendant's conviction." To give you a little context here, you may recall that Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx initially dropped the charges against Smollett after striking a deal with him, but then a special prosecutor was appointed who later brought those charges back, leading to Smollett's trial and to his conviction. I'm sure we'll have much more on this all throughout the day.
All right, so that's what Chicago news had to say about everything. Now, you guys remember, like she said, it was taken to court. Then he got his conviction there, and you guys may remember his outburst after giving the guilty verdict.
Court is adjourned. I am not suicidal.
Stop laughing about facts.
I am not suicidal, and I am innocent. I could have said that I was guilty a long time ago. Court is adjourned. I am not suicidal.
Stop laughing about facts.
I am not suicidal, and I am innocent. I could have said that I was guilty a long time ago.
All right, that's the Jussie Smollett outburst. That is crazy. Now, let me know what you guys think about everything. If you guys don't remember exactly, it was two men who claimed two men wearing MAGA hats attacked him, tied a noose around his neck, and yelled racist, homophobic slurs. But of course, he was accused of orchestrating the incident, which now this doesn't necessarily mean that he didn't do it. It just means that he cannot be, convicted for it. So the charges were initially dropped. The actor had been convicted on 5 counts of disorderly conduct, sentenced to 150 days in jail, which he served only 6, given 30 months of probation, in order to pay over $130,000 in restitution. So this could finally be put to rest. I still don't know what Jussie Smollett to this day was thinking when he did that. But yeah, hopefully he learned from it. And yeah, he got off. He got lucky. He got lucky. But drop your thoughts on that down below. And speaking of court and things like that, Diddy, his family is, they out there down to the court because he's trying to get a bail for a third time. He's trying to get released on a $50 million bail for his sex trafficking and racketeering charges. No decision has been made yet, but both parties were asked to submit documents by Monday. So here we are. Today, this is Friday, and this is the family walking in: Quincy, the twins, Chance, and then we have pictures of, the twins. They look sad. This is King Combs. Man, they look defeated. Justin right there. Mama Christian is his name. King Combs is his stage name. But yeah, it's just It's sad. They look real, just, run down and defeated. But hey, of course they're gonna support their father. But Diddy, it's like, come on, man. You gotta realize what you have done. You got your kids out here. They shouldn't be having to come down to the courthouse every so often. It's tough. It's tough. Drop your thoughts down below about that. And if you think they're going to let him out, I do not think so. He gonna be in there until May of 2025. But one last story. Speaking of court and documents and lawsuits and all of that, Jonathan Majors. He certainly seems to be having a good week because first him and Megan, they announced their engagement. And now his ex, Grace Jabari, he has dropped the assault and defamation lawsuit. So you guys remember the tape came out and everything. We seen him running from old girl. She said, came back with a lawsuit of her own, but now she has dropped it. Attorneys for both parties filed a joint notice with the court on Thursday, stating that all claims against defendant in the above captioned action are hereby dismissed with prejudice. It sucks because Jonathan Majors lost a lot, and it's like for her to just be like, oh, all right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. Whether you think whatever he's guilty of or not, like he still went through a whole lot. And yeah, it just sucks. Like I said, I just hope with Megan that he does right by her because she's stuck by this man in and out of court. She's stuck by this man. I really, really hope that once he gets back on, because he will eventually, that he does right by Megan Good, and that's all I'm gonna say about it. Let me know what you guys think about these stories. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank y'all for watching Television 87. If you want to check out another video, there's one right here for you guys. Catch y'all in the next one.